Hello everyone, I'm meteorologist Violet Skyber. Did you know that there are different types of snowflakes? They actually come in multiple different shapes and sizes, all dependent on the temperature and the moisture content of the atmosphere. So let's start with temperatures that are close to freezing, around 25 to 32 degrees. That's when we see the shape of thin plates. It's a hexagonal shape and it's usually fairly small with a low amount of moisture in the atmosphere to form these. As we drop even colder to 21 to 25 degrees, that's when we start to see needle-like structures forming with a little bit more moisture in the atmosphere. Even colder than that, 14 to 21 degrees, that's when we see hollow columns starting to build. 10 to 14 degrees, we see that more typical snowflake shape of stellar plates. But the most common type of snowflake, usually when we see dry, fluffy snow that's great for sledding and downhill skiing and stuff like that, is dendrites, and that usually forms with some colder temperatures, 3 to 10 degrees, and a high amount of moisture in the atmosphere is needed for the entire dendrite to produce all of those intricate patterns that we usually see with them. As we go even colder than that, it actually starts to go backwards with the shape. So we go back to stellar plates when we drop down to -8 to -3 degrees. Any colder than that, below -8, we go back to that column shape. So just take a look at the snow sometime and see if you can tell what type of shape or pattern it is. Maybe even try to get a picture of it for us.